everybody, Karen here. Now today I'm so excited to share with you my brand new mattress, okay? So some of you may be familiar with the brand Woosa, and they've come out with a brand new mattress. The name is called Mysa, M-Y-S-A, okay? So today you are gonna join me as I unbox this brand new mattress. I simply cannot wait. So it arrived like this, okay? It's kind of wrapped up like a tube, and this is a Mysa king size mattress. So we're gonna unwrap and find out more. Very camera shy. Okay, but don't worry, I just need him for hard labor. So let's unbox right now. Alright, so as you can see, we just unboxed this. You know, it's kind of like a balloon, and then it slowly like takes in all the air. So yes, this is my bed now. Simply cannot wait to have a few more sleeps in it, and we will review exactly how it feels, okay?